Okay, we're at Westlawn Cemetery on Michigan Avenue and Merriman Road. To the left, just east of the Jackie Wilson grave marker. And I've wondered about this in the past. Two husband, father, and grandfather, son, brother, uncle, and friend. We have an Algen Henderson, who died August 2nd, 2019, right next to a marker for Algenoid Henderson, who died August 4th, 2019. So I'm assuming Algenoid is the father of Algen, and he died 2 days before his son. So there's a story here that that I'm unaware of that I would really like to find out about. If anybody knows what the story behind them dying that close together might be. You know, I could, if I were guessing, maybe they got in an auto accident and the son lived a couple days longer than he did. And I wonder if they have any connection to Jackie Wilson. On the other side now we have a marker for Wolf. It says Wolf, beloved husband, father, grandfather, and brother. And here is Wolf, I'm assuming. And I'm assuming that Wolf is his nickname. So I'm interested if he has any relation to Jackie, or if he was just lucky to get his grave marker put next to him. And they've taken this tree down. It must have been in bad shape, or maybe it came down with one of the storms recently. And there are other interesting grave markers in here. Maybe I'll take a ride around, but I won't keep the video rolling. I think we're just gonna take a pleasant ride around where there's a nice cool breeze today, even though it's around 77, 78, a little warm. It's overcast, hazy, with a cool breeze, so it's tolerable riding weather.